This is Jason Hoppin, Communications Manager for Santa Cruz County, and we're going to do a quick walkthrough of our new dashboard for our operational plan. It's available at SCC Vision US, and if you call up that site, you'll see our strategic plan, Vision Santa Cruz County, which includes our vision, mission, and values. But if you scroll down a little bit, you will see each of the focus areas in that strategic plan, health and safety, housing, etc., across the middle there. And you can click on any of those and see our goals. So, for example, there's our housing goals right there. But if you go up here, you'll get a plan guide, and that will teach you a little bit about how to walk through this dashboard. So you call that up and you'll have a menu here on the left, which you can scroll through and click through to learn more about the terminology and the format. Down here is an example of kind of a drill down of one of our objectives. This one has to do with digital records, for example. But you might want to make yourself familiar with this section right here before you jump in to the rest of the operational plan. So you can either back out of that, or you can just go up here and click on the 2019-21 operational plan. And over on the left, you'll see our focus area icons. They correspond to each of those 6 focus areas that we were looking at earlier. There's 178 total objectives. You can sort them a number of ways: timeline, department, values, equity, sustainability. Here's the values view. Here there's each of our value words, which were adopted as part of the strategic plan, and corresponding objectives. So if you click on one of the icons, let's try one of these here. That's economy, that's operational excellence. Let's go back up top to housing. So you can see that we have our four goals under the housing focus area. Each of those goals has strategies attached to them. In most cases there are 2, some cases there are 3, and I think maybe in one case there's more. But if you click on each of those strategies, you can see the objectives tied to that strategy. Here's community development. It says we will partner with the community on projects that improve neighborhoods and local economies and ensure the availability of supporting infrastructure. And those are our objectives that tie into that strategy and that goal under that focus area. Now, if you click on one of them, in this case, farm worker housing, which we're working on right now, there's the objective and some key steps that go into fulfilling that objective. And so we're going to track each of these. There's references back to our strategic plan. Those are the departments that are involved, our target and our target completion date. And this site will be updated periodically so that you can go in and look at this dashboard and see how we're doing on progress on each of these 178 objectives. And this is really our work plan for the next 2 years, basically. Here we go with transportation. There's our 4 goals, the strategies under each goal, and the objectives under each strategy. This one has to do with congestion in the SoCal area of SoCal Drive. There's local roads, our strategies. Here's economy. Our goals have to do with regional workforce, community vitality, local businesses. Let's click on that. You can see the strategies, follow through to our objectives.
Pretty simple. You can check it out yourself at www.sccvision.us.